Hey everyone, welcome to Health and Fitness. Today we're going to learn about how to get a flat stomach in a month at home. Now let's begin. So many people yearn to get rid of their flabby midsection. But that usually involves a whole lot of time and energy that not many of us can spare. Good thing there are things you can do on your own and at your own time to get the abs you never thought you could. The good news is that it's possible for you to get a flat stomach in a month at home. You don't need special equipment. You don't even need to spend hours at the gym. All you need is a mat and a little discipline to a few exercises each day. The following exercises were hand-picked, and specifically for their effectiveness in getting rid of belly fat, without the need for specialized equipment. For the entire month, do these exercises in succession every single day for 6 days a week. Give yourself a 1-day break once a week to give your body ample time to rest. Then start another week and repeat the same exercises. Planks. On your mat, lie on your stomach, then hold yourself up using your forearms and your toes. Keep yourself stiff and straight like a plank. Make sure that you don't sag. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Increase duration by 10 seconds per week, so that you're doing 40 seconds on the second week, 50 seconds on the third week, in a full minute on the fourth week. Bicycle crunches. On your mat, lie on your back with your legs stretched out in your hands and touching your ears. Raise your right knee towards your chest. Simultaneously lift your upper body up and twist so your right knee and left elbow meet. Lower yourself now back down to the starting position and do the same with the left knee and the right elbow. Alternate between the two sides to complete 15 sets. Increase repetitions by increments of 5 each week. You'll be doing 20 on the second week, 25 on the third week, and 30 on the fourth week. Leg raises. On your mat, lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Keep your legs together and slowly lift them up at a 90-degree angle from the floor, hinging from the hips. Slowly lower your legs back down without touching the floor and hold that position for a second before lifting your legs back up. Lower and lift your legs for a total of 10 times each week. Increase your repetitions by increments of 2, so that you're doing 12 on the second week, 14 on the third week, and 16 on the fourth week. Bird dogs. On your mat, hold yourself up. All fours. Your knees should be bent and your arms should be extended below your shoulders. Now stretch your right arm out in front of you while stretching your left leg out behind you. Your right arm and left leg should be parallel to the floor. Hold this position for 2 seconds. Before going back to the starting position, do the same for the left arm and the right leg. Repeat this movement until you have completed 20 sets. Rather than increasing repetitions, increase the position hold by 2 seconds each week. If you're holding for 2 seconds on the first week, your hold should total 4 seconds on the second week, 6 seconds on the third week, and 8 seconds on the fourth week. Get a flat stomach in a month at home won't be easy, but it's doable. All you need to do is follow this program to the best of your ability. No cheating. If you're ever feeling discouraged, think that it will all be worth it for the best results. Combine this program with a healthy, portion-controlled diet. Soon enough you'll have the abs you've always wanted without ever having to spend time at the gym. If you liked the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done. Be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.